Hi everyone, I welcome you all in the online session. Today we will learn about verbs. Verbs in Hindi is called kriya. Can you see a girl wearing pink dress dancing? Word dancing is a verb because it involves actions. Okay, let's learn about verbs in detail. A verb is used to say or assert something about a person or thing. It says what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, or what a person or thing has. A verb denotes doing, being, or possessing. Let's look at few examples. Birds fly in the sky. The shopkeeper cheated me. Monica is a sweet girl. Father was angry with me. A car has four wheels. Lord Krishna had a flute. In these sentences, words fly, cheated, is, was, has, and had are verbs because it states what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, or what a person or thing has. Verbs make a sentence complete. We cannot form a sentence without using verbs. There are three types of verbs. First, doing verbs. Second, being verbs. And third, possessing verbs. Doing verbs. Doing verbs are also called action verbs because an action verb explains what the subject of the sentence is doing or has done. Let's look at few examples in order to understand this. Varun is talking to Soumya. I do my work every day. I am working. He is playing. My mother is cooking. In these sentences, words talking, do, am working, is playing, is cooking tells us what the subjects are doing or do. These words show actions. So these are doing verbs. Being verb. A being verb shows a state of being. Verbs am, is, are, was, were, will be, shall be are being verbs because they are used to show a state of being. For example, Abhijit is an intelligent boy. I am a teacher. Veena is an intelligent girl. Mother was angry with me. Children were playing in the park. In these sentences, words is, am, was, and were are being verbs because it shows a state of being. Possessing verb. A possessing verb shows possession. Possession means the act of having or taking into control. Words has, have, had, will have, and shall have shows possession, so these are possessing verbs. For example, Shivani has a new doll. They have a pet dog in their house. A car has four wheels. Lord Krishna had a flute. In these sentences, words has, had, and have are possessing verbs because they show possessions. The verbs is, was, and has are used with a singular noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, Geeta is a sweet girl. In this sentence, verb is used for a singular noun which is Geeta. Let's look at few more examples. The boy was startled and his eyes were big. My father has a flat in Mumbai. Rule 2. The verbs are and where are used with a plural noun or pronoun and the singular you in a sentence. For example, there are beautiful flowers in the garden. In this sentence, verb are is used for plural noun, which is flowers. We were in our party dress. In this sentence, verb were is used for plural noun, which is we. Plural pronoun, which is we. You are my friend. In this sentence, verb are is used for singular pronoun, which is you. Rule 3. The verb am is used with the pronoun I. For example, I am a student. Rule 4. The verbs have, had, and will be are used with both singular and plural nouns and pronouns. For example, I have a basketball. They have a party tomorrow. We will be going to their party. I will be seeing the doctor later today. So today we learnt about verbs and types of verbs. Write definition of verbs and types of verbs along with one example in your English grammar copy.